Right then, the first train of the day to arrive is the 10:45 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Paignton. This one's going via Bristol Temple Meads. With 43191 on the front. And on the rear is 43023 with the Herald Star plaque on the power car. No, I'm not, yeah. 166210, and that is, first ever. And the next train to show up will be the 14 pass from London Paddington to Oxford. This is going to be another 165, 166 unit. Here it comes. Oh my word, it's another one. 166208. This one goes by the Advocate line to Exmouth, 143620 and 143617. And an announcement in for the 10:24 service to Aberdeen, which is run by Cross Country. It's got a long way to go, that one. Let's see which green HST we've got. Uh, 43005, we've got the new one. So it's 43005 at the front. It means 430 or 141. Can't remember which it is. We'll make up the rear. Okay, and the 0809 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads is headed off now. £150, £130 on that one. So it's quite a local stopping one, this one. So don't expect it to be getting to Cardiff Central at an express sort of time, a faster time, because it won't. Yeah, this is the 0853 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. It's now expected at 0856, so it is a few minutes late, but it's not that bad. And my phone Really is that bad. 43,185. That's better. Really sorry about the blurriness today, guys. My phone makes the weirdest decisions. So if you do see any blurriness throughout the video, it's not my fault. It's my phone just making weird decisions. But anyway, yeah, it was 43,185 on the front. And Bristol St Phillips Marsh 43,040 is on the rear. Okay, and out now 158,961 off to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour. Okay, and the next train to show up is going to be a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington, terminating here at Bristol Temple Meads. On the front we have 43,153. We're due in a service from Taunton in a minute, going to Cardiff Central, and also due in a South West Trains Class 159. Probably the only South West Trains unit we're going to see today. So I sort of meant to come here at this time, intentionally, so that I could see it. 43,171 on the rear of this one. Okay, coming in now is the delayed 1200 Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare, formed of the Sir Kenneth Grange power car again. I swear this one is stalking me. It's 43,002 at the front. This is just short. This is pure luck. I swear it. Memory serves, the rear of it should be, actually I can't remember, it might be 020, no it's changed, it's 43,069 on the rear. Off next is Class 165 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Oxford, and it's 165,134. It's only got two coaches, that's a bit strange. Usually bound to catch a double set there. It's very different. I usually catch them on the branch lines, like to Marlow and Henley-on-Thames. I didn't catch the numbers on that one, I wasn't paying attention. Making its departure now, 43,037, off to London Paddington from Cardiff Central. That one's got Penny Darren on the front. 2161 on the rear. Just try and get up there and try and get out. Yeah, there we go. Good shot that. Also 166204, forming the 1349 Great Western Railway service to Oxford. Sorry, to London Paddington from Oxford is off. Blimey. Great one tone from the 166, Norman Thompson on the nameplate.
Scared the hell out of me.
Yeah, you could see even my camera work, but that scared me. Yeah, we have another tube service also coming in.
I think the much lower central one, I think the other one, the much more higher. So these are the central ones.
Okay, coming in now, we have another central line service with 91 229.
Where's this tube service from?
I've no idea.
Right, okay.
Apparently another train is coming through, but I'm not too sure, we'll have to wait. Okay, there goes another, I think it's a district line tube.
I'd say it's essential.
Central line.
To where it's to.
Yeah.
And I see
Hang on a
lights.
second.
Sparking.
It's starting to rain.
I can't feel that.
Aw, bloody British weather. Do apologise for that.
You reckon I'm that
It's
sort
the
of
British
person
weather.
who like
Just
it's
gonna
thunder and like now
Yeah.
like this? No, I'm
Okay, and now arriving in, we have another central line tube.
Cube. Like if there's any cube experts who are watching this video, I do not know, but please just don't like take offence or don't be like that's not like I mean correct people don't do it anyway.
And another tube leaving.
Yep, we do. I think
That's the district line one, yeah.
Could be off the top. Don't you want to Kensington
Olympia, yeah. Right, there goes the district line tube. Promise you that you will see more than just tube stock here. It's just very quiet at the minute.
Very ancient.
Okay, now we've got one of the I think it's one of the 1972 stock. It is.
I don't know.
It's one of the D stock anyway.
And also we have a central line.
Central line also pulling out.
Could be a 1972. Also, in the distance we have a Heathrow.
Also passing through, we have a class 332 off to Heathrow Airport Terminal 5. This might be 008 and 010
I
again.
think it might be. I think it might be the return
And
of
next to
008
come
and
non-stop through is a Heathrow Express train.
I reckon it might be. Let's check it out.
332.
332 008, yeah. Three 32010. It's. I think it's only one running. Dan, your head's in the way.
Sorry. Off to
There she goes.
via Heathrow Airport itself, I think.
Okay, pulling in now is the 1405 Great Western Railway service to Oxford.
The 1405 service.
Is it a green?
No,
No, this is not a green.
just the 1405 to Oxford.
Yeah, this is the 1405 Great Western Railway service to Oxford. From London Paddington, where else?
165 107.
165 107.
So that's off to Oxford.
And also arriving in, as I've just seen the reflection in one of the...
Yep, we have another 16. I think it's a 166 from the look of
Is
it.
it a 166? So is it 118?
This is off to London Paddington from Reading.
Oh, that one's really nice together. You look like brothers.
165 116. Okay, pulling out now the 1405 Great Western Railway service to Oxford.
I have found out the station is rather busy, especially with the tube next to it. It's extremely busy.
Looking very lovely as it goes through the tunnel. So the next one to go out should be that one. Okay, pulling out now is the 1406 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Reading.
Where's it from? Oxford?
Reading. 165 116. Also passing through, we have a HST, presumably bound for, heading to Bristol Temple Meads, yeah. This one is off to Bristol Temple Meads.
As I said, Bristol Temple Meads.
I'm gonna HST going to Bristol Temple Meads is passing through now.
Yes, this is going to Bristol Temple Meads from London Paddington.
43183 and 43137 off to Bristol Temple Meads. So that's a nice start for a passing HST. Okay, pulling out now, we have a Central Line train and a District Line train also. And we also have another Central Line train coming in on at the same time.
At the passing and there was two.
There's the District Line train, looking very old but looking very lovely. Oh, what a lovely little spark that was.
There's one coming in.
Not for long.
This underground is going to ruin the peace and quiet. Oh well.
Central Line underground.
It's 91 229, I think.
Yep.
279.
No.
279. 91.
279. And this will form as a tube.
What is?
Heathrow Express.
Oh yeah.
Oh, coming through now, we also have a Heathrow Express Class 332. Racing through from Heathrow Airport, Terminal 5, going to London Paddington. 332012. And 332009. And if we go over here, we should see it. So I think those are the only two Heathrow trains that are running today. So 012 and 009 and 010 and 008. Okay, passing through now, another HST. (43021) and 43016 off the Penzance. It is 43140. And a train manager just casually handing his hand out the window. And 43033. It's coming on this platform, ideal. It's 43184, 164. It looks like it's about to tilt and derail. 43036. Okay, I'm ready to go now. Is the 1018 Great Western Railway service to Penzance, formed of 150 127 and 153 318. So the Exmouth train is slightly delayed by about 2 minutes. Sure, that's clagging away lovely there. Ooh. It's letting off a lot of steam. It smells as well, that 153. Ooh.